I'm here to help you. How can you prepare for reasoning section for all the banking examination? How can you get full marks in reasoning? You know RRB notification is out and you know the weightage of reasoning section for RRB. There are around 40 marks of reasoning in pre-examination and I will help you how can you score 40 out of 40 in pre-examination in RRB pre-examination. And I'm going to start a series of puzzles for RRB first line. 10 people are sitting opposite each other into parallel rows. It means there will be two parallel rows. M, N, O, Q, O, P and Q are facing north direction and A, B, C, D are facing south direction. I have noted this. A, B, C, D, E are facing south direction. M, N, O, P, Q are facing north direction. Two people sit between M and P. It means two people sit between M and P. M sit at one of the extreme end. M sit at one of the extreme end. Immediate neighbors of P faces P. Immediate neighbor of P faces B. These are immediate neighbor of P and they will face B. Two people sit between B and D. Two people sit between B and D. A and C are immediate neighbor. It means A and C are immediate neighbors. C does not face P. C will not face P. E sits third to left of A. It means if A will be here, then E will be third to left of A. Q sits second to right of A, and it means Q sits second to right of N. Let's start with puzzle. We will start from here. P and M and P are immediate. Two people sit between M and P. It means two people sit between M and P. M sit at one of the extreme end. It means it will be the extreme end of this row, and one person will be here. 5 people are sitting in this sitting arrangement. If M will be here, then two people sit between M and P. 5 persons are sitting, so we will make the sitting arrangement like this. B is an immediate neighbor of P facing B. It means B can be here and here. Two persons sitting between B and D. If we will go here, then there will never be sit two persons between B and D. So we will go from here. B will sit here. B will sit here. Two persons sit between B and D. It means like that. Two persons sit between B and D. We have done with it. We have done with it. This one and this one. A and C are immediate neighbor, and C does not face P. It means C cannot be here, and C cannot be here. C and P, A and C are immediate neighbors. It means C will be here and A will be here. A will be here and C will be here. Next one, E sits first, second, third to left of A. If we will go from here, first, second and third, E is third to left of A. Here, this is the right side of A. So, this arrangement is wrong. We will continue with this. Next one, Q sits first, second to right of N. It means Q will be here. I think now our puzzle is complete or we left. So, we will go with